Hey guys, this is Evie. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I did these colorful roses on Miss Keisha. But first, I want to share a new item I've been using to help me with my nail art. So as some of you guys know, I wear contacts and my vision is not what it used to be. So I picked up this magnifying lamp from Brightech, and the model I have is the LightView Pro XL. So this is what it looks like when you first get it. Everything is wrapped very nicely. Alright, so here is the lamp all assembled, and as you can see, the head of the lamp here swivels. On the underside, you have your LEDs. These LED lights last 20 years without burning out or overheating, which is pretty awesome. To turn the lamp on, you just hit this power switch here, and whoa, that is bright. But you are able to adjust the lighting here with these touch buttons, and the brightness ranges from warm white light to bright daylight. And the magnifying glass here is high quality, and it is heat and scratch resistant, so it's gonna last you a long time. Alright, so to the nail tutorial, I've already put tips on Miss Keisha, and now I'm just filing them and taking away the shine. And now I'm going in with the Long Hair Pretty Nails Natural Pink Acrylic, and I'm just going to apply this to all of the nails. Alright, so this is after all of the acrylic has dried and I have filed, shaped, and buffed the nails. So now I'm going in with the Madam Glam Perfect Black Gel Polish. Alright, so after curing all of the nails, I have my colored gel polish that I'm going to use, and I'm going in with the Poochie's Nails Bloom Gel, and I'm just going to apply a coat of this to the nail. And then without curing, I'm just going to apply the colored gel polish with my nail art brush and just do various swoops to create the blooming rose. So this was my first time using the blooming gel, and it kind of took me a few tries to get the hang of this, but the main thing is you want to kind of move fast because the gel does spread, so you gotta hurry up, otherwise you're gonna lose your shape. Alright, so I cured that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, and now I'm just going to move on to the next finger. And I switched up the camera so you guys can see me working through the magnifying lamp. So this is my view, and I'm able to see my nail art so much more clearer. I'm able to see the details better, and that just makes for better nail art. So I wanted to get this lamp because I do a lot of hand art and just very fine details, and it is draining on the eyes. So I picked this up to help me along with that, and I really like it so far. I've used this magnifying lamp a few times. I actually used it to do my Chanel nails as well, and it just made the nail art so much easier. Typically I shy away from nail art because of the way I film. My hand has to be a certain distance away from me just to be in the frame of the camera. So some of the stuff I can't see all that well while I'm filming, but with this magnifying lamp, I'm able to actually see what I'm doing, and it just makes me excited to do more freehand art. So I just repeat the same steps that I did with the pinky fingernail to all of the nails, and I just alternate the color gel polish that I use to make the blooming rose. One thing that I will say is that you do have to work fast, because especially if you're doing multiple roses, by the time you get to the last one, the first one would have spread out so much that it won't even look like a rose. So that is my tip, is just to work fast. And if your rose begins to spread a little too much and you can't really see the center, I just take my clean nail art brush and kind of scoop up the excess color, and it exposes like a swirl. So that's my little hack there. But you gotta hurry up and cure it because it will spread. Alright, so after curing all of the nails, I'm just gonna go in with some gold gel paint and line this area here. And then I cured that as well. And now I'm going in with my favorite gel top coat. And before I cure, I'm just going to apply some small iridescent crystals around the cuticle area. And after applying all those crystals, I went ahead and cured in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Alright, so now I'm going to apply the gel top coat to the rest of the nails. And did a final cure in my LED lamp. And this is the finished look. I love how these roses turned out. I love the colors, and this looks like it was more complicated than what it was. I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. If you guys are interested in this magnifying lamp, I do have a discount. Click the link down below to get 15% off any magnifying lamp from Brightech. And I do have other models of the magnifying lamp, so if you want a table clamp or if you want a desk lamp or a different color, they have all types of options. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will talk to you in my next one.